Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of photography and videography equipment. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the VILTROX DC-70 LCD camera monitor. If you're a photographer or videographer looking to enhance your shooting experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features and capabilities of the VILTROX DC-70, so you can decide if it's the right addition to your gear. Let's start by exploring what makes the VILTROX DC-70 LCD camera monitor a compelling choice for content creators. The VILTROX DC-70 comes equipped with a range of features that set it apart. 5-inch LCD screen. The DC-70 features a 5-inch LCD screen, providing you with a clear and detailed view of your shots. This larger display size is especially valuable when you need to focus precisely and compose your shots effectively. High-resolution display. With a high-resolution screen, the DC-70 ensures that your images and videos are displayed with excellent clarity and sharpness. You'll be able to see every detail in your footage. Multiple aspect ratios. The monitor supports various aspect ratios, including the standard 16:9, allowing you to adapt to different shooting scenarios seamlessly. Versatile compatibility. The VILTROX DC-70 is compatible with a wide range of cameras, making it a versatile addition to your gear. Whether you're shooting with a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, this monitor can enhance your workflow. Real-time monitoring. One of the standout features of the DC-70 is its real-time monitoring capabilities. You can monitor your footage as you shoot, ensuring that you capture the perfect shot every time. Advanced focus tools. Achieving precise focus is crucial in photography and videography. The DC-70 offers advanced focus tools such as focus peaking and zoom, helping you achieve tag-sharp focus with ease. Exposure assistance. To ensure your shots are well exposed, the DC-70 provides tools like histograms and false color, giving you real-time feedback on your exposure settings. Durable build. Built to withstand the demands of on-the-go shooting, the VILTROX DC-70 features a sturdy and durable construction. It's designed to be a reliable companion on your photographic adventures. In conclusion, the VILTROX DC-70 LCD camera monitor is a valuable tool for photographers and videographers who demand precision and control in their work. With its high-resolution display, real-time monitoring, and advanced focus and exposure tools, it can help you capture stunning images and videos with confidence. If you're considering adding a versatile and feature-packed camera monitor to your gear, the VILTROX DC-70 is certainly worth exploring further. It's designed to elevate your shooting experience and unlock new creative possibilities. Thank you for tuning in to learn more about the VILTROX DC-70 LCD camera monitor. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more gear reviews and tutorials, and sharing it with fellow photographers and videographers. Until next time, happy shooting!